Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're making up another skip the dishes recipe with chicken tandoori. Yes, cook this up and that wonderful South Asian smell will fill the air and everybody will become so excited. And besides that, it is incredibly delicious. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing we're going to do is add half a cup of plain or Greek yogurt to a mixing bowl, followed by a quarter cup of oil. In this case, I'm using olive oil. Half a tablespoon of minced ginger, another half tablespoon of minced garlic, then a good teaspoon of onion powder. Of course, you could use minced onion too. Then the star of the show, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. Now you can buy the pre-mixed stuff you can pick up on just about any grocery store, but if you don't want to do that, I will put the recipe below in the description section. Salt to taste, and in my case, it's about a teaspoon. Another teaspoon or 2 of ground black pepper. Of course, all of this is to taste, so you can adjust everything accordingly. Grab up a lemon and give it a roly-poly to get it all loosey-goosey. Go ahead and cut this in half and just squeeze it into the mixture. Again, this is to taste, but you don't want it too citrusy. Grab up the old handy-dandy spoon and mix everything until it's well combined. And guys, this smell, this aroma is just incredible. And it's funny, you just about get to the point where you can cook according to aroma and not necessarily instructions. Alrighty then, I'm going to grab up a bone-in, skin-on chicken thigh. And using a good sharp knife, give it 2 slices diagonally. And that's going to allow that marinate to sink in, and it looks kind of cool. So just go ahead and add this to a bowl. In my case, I'm using 6 thighs here, but it's entirely up to you. Now, using our hands, we are going to massage that marinate over the chicken into every little nook and cranny, and of course, every little chicken loves a massage. Is it just me, or is this starting to look pretty good? Alrighty then, slip some cling wrap over this. And we're going to put this in the fridge for about an hour or so. Overnight is actually better. After marinating, this is looking and smelling so good. Grab up your tongs and slip our chicken tandoori onto a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper, and you want this skin side up. I know I got a couple skin side down here, but I'm going to flip these around. Of course, any sauce remaining in the bowl, we are simply going to spread that over top of the chicken. You can't let that go to waste. Again, my friends, I keep saying this, but I have to perfect that smell-o-vision. Now this is going into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, there it is, guys. And does this not look and smell? Well, you can't smell it, but I can. Absolutely incredible. A side note, keep that juice because it is wonderful over rice. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate this up onto a plate with some onions and cucumber just to make it look all fancy and pretty like. Of course, a few lemon wedges and some cilantro over the top just for a garnish. And there it be, my friends, our better than takeout chicken tandoori. Oh my goodness, just check this out. I mean, your friends and family and whoever you have coming over for dinner are just going to go wild over this. And you cut and bite into this, the taste, is just out of this world. It's simply undescribable. Oh my goodness, so good. Well worth the effort, well worth making. You are going to love it. And like I say in every video, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up because that really helps. And if you're so inclined, subscribe.